So, see, the easiest way to deal with this one is a sneak attack. Okay, like sneak attack, as in you enable one more campaign. Okay. This will be kind of like people also call it a graveyard campaign. Okay, but it depends upon how you populate it with, or what kind of creators you populate it with. So let's say we pick up a campaign, we put an ad set over here. Sorry, horrible writing. So ad set, okay, over here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple ad sets, and inside those there are winning ads. Yeah, and you put a cost cap over here on all the ad sets. Okay, which is around 400 to 450.
Yeah, I'm already doing this now.
Yeah, so it's distributed like that. Okay, and then you put a lot of. So you're already doing it on the existing ones, or you're doing it with the other ones also? Like how are you doing it?
No. This is a separate sneak attack campaign. So whichever.
So is it a scaling campaign or a testing? Because people.
No. It's a scaling campaign.
Scaling campaign. So what's stopping you from scaling this one? Like that's the easiest one to do so at this point of time, if you want to get a quick boost.
Got it. So the one thing that is stopping me, I try to adjust the budgets, bids and all. It is not spending more than 4 to 5K per day.
That's the biggest hurdle that we face. So I'm assuming and what's the audience that you are selecting inside this ad set? The Facebook.
Yeah, sometimes Facebook audience, sometimes I keep it open only. Open actually works well in this.
Open. Okay. So so people also call it a graveyard campaign. Why? Because they pop or they move the ads or the winning ads when they have stopped giving any results in the normal scaling campaign. Okay. So that is why they call it graveyard sometimes. But if you are populating the winning ads simultaneously as you're populating it inside the scaling campaign, then it's not a graveyard. Then it's, according to me, a sneak attack. Okay. Having said that, now let's say, okay, so we have basically explored this option. Okay, this isn't working because after 4,000 to 5. Also, how much is the budget that you have put over here in that?
It's like 2 to 3 lakh in next 7 days, like that.
Just increase the budget. Okay.
Lifetime?
You have it on lifetime, this one.
Yeah.
If you have it on lifetime, then try it on daily budget. And if you have it on daily budget, then try it on lifetime. And also, if you have it on lifetime, I will go one step ahead and do day parting also in this one. What does that mean? I would try it. So whichever slot is giving me the best ones, I'll try to push more budget in those slots, because in lifetime only day parting is available. Otherwise,
Yeah, correct.
So that's one thing which I'll be definitely doing in this one. Or I would create one more sneak attack campaign, and in that one, it will be dedicated only for day parting. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.